evening, everyone. Hi, happy Thursday. We are doing seafood salad. Just because someone requested it. I have a seafood salad video, but you know, it has the typical noodles in it. They're on a keto diet. A diet that everybody tell me about. I haven't yet to start or even try, but I think I'm doing well without that one. The young lady requested me because her and her roommate, well, not her roommate is on this particular diet, and they go to their local store and get the seafood, but it's kind of expensive. Asked me to do it my way. So let's get started. It's gonna be quick and easy. I have 4 eggs right here. I have a can of pink salmon, a can of tuna in water.
Tuna in water?
Yeah, you know you don't like the oil. I don't like tuna in the oil. I had some premium crab meat. This is the claw. This is the claw. And I have that. I got that from BJ's like for $10 or something. See, look at it. Good claw meat.
Seriously, Mom. It's good.
Yeah.
Can you send me a little bit?
I don't put all of it in here.
Okay.
And
that smells good.
I got the little shrimp things for salads, the little shrimp salads. And all my seasons, I got pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Old Bay. So it's already in. I'm gonna try not to use my hands, but I like using my hands when it comes to mixing up salads. And I want to make sure everything is broken up. With the salmon, when I'm making the salmon cakes, I really don't tend to worry about the bones too much. So try to get as many bones out as possible. And this is going to be a quick, probably a 5-minute video, guys. Because you're just mixing up everything.
Yeah.
I'm not going to use all this crab meat. So I think Jack's be home from school. I'm only using half. Sure, I might use all of it. Brandon, I don't know.
Oh, that's how you feel.
Yeah, that's how I feel. Oh, and I forgot my mustard. I can't do this without any mustard. So we know we're going to be pausing this video in a minute. Because if I do all this right here, I like doing my eggs like this, guys. I know. I just don't. I'll use a spoon when I really fix the plate. But until then, sorry people who saying anything about the hands. But if you look at videos and back in the old days, as far as like, and you can put more eggs than this. I'm only using 4. You know, they use their hands. This is for my family. So they know what we do in this kitchen. With my mother, my mother's mother, and with me. So, this is all crumbled. The way I like it. It smells so awesome. And a girl's sweating. Look down there.
You scared me. Why you do it like that?
But it's a good thing. So, I'm going to wash my hands, come back and season it, and put it all together. And I'm going to show you guys a special bread I made just for this. And we'll be right back. Okay, we back. The hands are clean. Look, I forgot I needed mayonnaise, guys. So, I got some mayonnaise. Any type of mayonnaise you like. Got my mustard. And like I always say, I like putting my seasoning directly into my stuff first. Obey. About 2 teaspoons are sitting there to the side. Once you taste everything, you can decide on how much more seasoning you want to actually put into your. I start off with about 2 teaspoons of everything when it comes to seasoning. The pepper, you might get about 4 because I'm a pepper girl. I don't put any salt. Just don't like the salt thing.
Everything smells good.
Everything smells good, yes. Okay. Mustard, I just sprinkle it.
I took up a lunch tomorrow for work.
Yeah.
Wrap it up as soon as
And remember, I don't like things too sloppy as far as like when it comes to salad dressings and potato salad and stuff. I like to keep it kind of dry, but not dry.
Oh, you're using the whole bottom.
Right, but this is little. And I need a little spoon. I can't get my spoon. I know I need some more. And so it's just about mixing. What the heck is so funny, Brandon?
I just had thought about something. I'm goofy.
Oh yeah, this smells awesome. See, I don't need no more mayonnaise. I don't like my stuff over sloppy. I'm like, this smells so good.
Grandma do though. Hi, Grandma.
Grandma, we love you, but you make your stuff too sloppy.
She like that stuff. I was like, what the freak?
I need to rinse that off real quick. I need to use that. And you could go in a little bit at a time and get it at the texture and seasonings that you like. This is good enough for me. And if you don't want to get, not gonna say real crab meat, they use a lot of imitation.
You know that shark meat I learned? The imitation meat? I'm just saying. That's why I heard.
This is so good. I need to sprinkle a little bit. No gluttony. Just a sprinkle of sugar and a little bit more obey. Right, can you bend over and get that sugar for me?
Where's it at?
Right beside you.
I got long arms. So
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Let's take that there.
I miss my iPhone sometimes.
Guys, sorry. Had to go in with the sugar. About a teaspoon and a half. Again, it's up to you. But a little bit more onion powder. Because when you, or you can put fresh onions. You guys know I'm not a fan of the onions. And like I said, as you add your seasoning, taste it. And make sure it get the way you want it. Oh, y'all know my creme de la creme. Before I wrap everything up, I didn't say that'll be one take. You know I gotta put in some parsley flakes.
That rhymes. That rhymes.
I put it in everything. Okay, let me taste it again. Oh, that's it. A seafood taste.
Hello?
We be right back. Let me get my parsley flakes. We're gonna make a sandwich.
Okay. Fool, your piece outside. Oh, I'm still recording. My bad.
All right, we back. Yeah, and if you got fresh parsley flakes, I'm gonna go with that too. But yes, about a tablespoon. I gotta have that green. This is right on point. The taste is there. To me, the flavor is there. So, and just to wrap this up, to make this taste even more better, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I made homemade hamburger rolls. Put it in the back. You know I made homemade hamburger rolls. And you cannot turn down a fresh seafood salad on a homemade roll. No, look at that.
Yummy in my tummy.
I made these, and the video for this is coming next week, guys. So, top it with your favorite garnishment: some spinach, some tomatoes, some lettuce, some even slices of avocado. I didn't do all that. Even add some extra mayo. Yeah, it made it look like
extra mayo.
Mayo.
Oh.
Yeah, it looked like it could be tuna fish, but when you taste it,
It's like a hallelujah course in your mouth.
it's like a hallelujah course in your mouth. That's what Brandon say. So, guys, this is mine. I got seafood salad with no noodles. Cool and refreshing in the summertime. Like, share, and subscribe. Oh, move my hand. I'm sorry.
Thumbnail, baby.
Oh, he doing the thumbnail for it. So, until next time, we are out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. So guys, this is my version. Whether or not I done it right, I think I did. This is my version. Let's clean up my mess. Butter, honey, garlic, chicken.